We are near Lakeland, Florida. We came over here today because we got a new hot water heater installed. We installed the
Truma Aqua tankless, I guess not tankless,
it's like
hybrid on-demand water heater. So you'll be seeing a lot more about that from us.
Yeah, we're trialing it out and we're really excited about that.
Yeah, big benefit of it was, first, when they took it out and we took our old water heater out, put the new one in, just the size is amazing. So we've downsized.
Weight-wise, we lost 100 pounds.
Yeah.
We went on a diet. So that was pretty awesome.
Yeah, but we're gonna keep this update short because we are on the move and we're quite frankly exhausted from today. It was a lot of fun over at Truma, but we're pretty tired now and settling into our new spot. And
we're gonna be on the move for the next few days. So we're working our way a little bit north. Remember, we've got our giveaway going on. If you have not already signed up, go over to mortonsonthemove.com, find the entry to try to win the WeBoost 4GX that we're giving away.
Yes, and also remember that our t-shirt campaign is going on. We're about halfway through, and thank you so much to all of you who have already bought shirts and supported us. We are so grateful and are so overwhelmed with the response that we've gotten. So if you've missed it, check them out. We'll put the link below.
You've got one more week.
One more week to get these shirts, and then they'll be gone forever.
Well, that's all we got for you guys this week. We are on the move again.
We're on the move.
And lots of fun stuff coming. We'll definitely be sharing it with you guys in the coming days.
Yes, so we will see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.